Select Rectangle tool. Hold Shift and create a rectangle. Select Eyedropper tool and pick color. Hold down Alt and drag to create duplicate. Now press Ctrl+D to create duplicate. Select Rectangle and press I to activate Eyedropper tool. Again select Rectangle and pick color. Repeat the same process. Now click on Rectangle. Click on Anchor Point and drag. Select Direct Selection tool. Select Upper Anchor Point. Now drag Anchor Point. Select Upper Left Anchor Point. Now hold down Shift and select Bottom Right Anchor Point. Now drag the anchor point. Select Rectangle. Hold down Shift and deselect the bottom right anchor point. Now drag the anchor point. Click and drag anchor point. Now select Move tool and select all shapes. Hold down Alt and drag to create duplicate. Select Direct Selection tool. Click on Shape. Hold down Alt and click on Anchor point. Again hold down Alt and click on Anchor point. Repeat same process. Now hold down Shift and click on Anchor point. Now drag the point. Again hold down Alt and click on Anchor point. Repeat the same process. Select Selection tool and select the shapes. Hold down Alt and drag to create duplicate. Hold down Alt and click on Anchor point. Repeat the same process. Create shapes and use in any project. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.